if I recycled the cans, I could get about 10 cents a piece. So this project cost me 30 cents, and I'm okay with that. Hey Wonderfuls! Today I want to show you how to make a 30-cent DIY coffee maker. You can buy a pour-over coffee maker cone for a few bucks, but if you happen to forget it at home, or if you don't want to buy it yet and just see if you even like the pour-over coffee method, then this might work for you. And for 30 cents, you can't really go wrong. All you need is hot water and coffee, a filter or some paper towel, 3 beer cans or pop cans or soda cans, and something to cut them with. A knife and scissors are preferred, but you could do it with a knife or an axe or just a pair of scissors. And if you're going to do this, please be safe about it. Always keep in mind where your hands are versus where the sharp cutting edge is, and just be cautious. Cut the tops off of 2 of the cans, and then modify the top of the 3rd can and cut its bottom off. Then use the scissors or whatever you have to clean up the edges a little bit. And very carefully roll 2 of the cans out flat and cut the rough edges off with your scissors or whatever you have. And take the can with the modified top and give it some dovetails. This is going to help it fit onto any size cup without the cone portion dipping too low into the coffee. Then you're going to want to take your 2 flat pieces, and if you have coffee filters, you can lay one out over top of it to get the sizing, or just kind of shape it with roughly 2 45-degree angles. And then you're going to cut into kind of a triangle / conical piece. Both sides will have about a 1/2 inch hem on them, and you're going to want to make both pieces exactly the same way. So if you're folding the right side up on one piece, do that with the other piece, and then put the left side down. You can use the back of a knife or the edge of an axe to very, very carefully and safely hem or fold over the small piece of material, and then press it down a little bit so that everything fits kind of tight together. These hems are going to fit together and hold everything in your conical shape. It is definitely not the fanciest, but it can fit any cup. It works in a pinch, and when you're done with it, you can just recycle it or store it kind of small to be reused again on the next trip. Comment below on some ways you have gotten around it, if you've ever forgotten your coffee maker, or what you would do to make this one a little bit better.